Alright guys, 2008 Nissan Maxima. If you have a car with a TPMS light, or if you have a flashing light such as that, this is a low tire pressure light or something wrong with the system. This is a TPMS light, tire pressure monitor system. So if I start this car, the light will stay on or it will flash. All right, what does this light mean? This light means either you have low tire pressure or something is wrong with the TPMS system. The things that can go wrong with TPMS system is either the sensors are broken, or the battery have finished, or that you have a problem with the system itself. It could be a module, it could be a lot of things. But to start off, what we're gonna do is, we already put the pressure in this car up to 35 psi and the light stays on, it does not go away. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our scan tool and we're gonna scan all the sensors in this car. It has a direct system which is in the tires. So there's a sensor inside the tire which sends out a wireless signal to the module of the car, which has it has antenna which it picks up, you know, on those signals. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come out of this car. I'm gonna use my snap-on scan tool to check these sensors. All right, so if you have a metal valve like this on the tire, this means this is pretty much a sensor inside. On behind it is a sensor, TPMS sensor. So what we're gonna do is I have a snap-on scanner here. This is a TPMS3. We're gonna test these sensors. So we're gonna test. We're gonna go into a Nissan. Let's go into a Nissan. This is Maxima. Alloy wheels, 2008. Alright, so I'm not gonna go through alright, so this machine is saying go to the left front tire. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the left front tire and I'm gonna press the test button. So there you go. It stored the information for this call, for this sensor, and we're gonna press yes for next, and then it's gonna tell us to go to the right front tire. So we're gonna walk over to the right front tire. Let's see if this one has a signal. We're gonna press test. Alright, so this did not detect the sensor here. Let me try one more time. Okay, there you go. I wasn't able to angle it right. So this one is working. We're gonna go to the next one. This is the right rear. We're gonna test this one. So this is good. And we're gonna go to the next one, which is gonna be the left rear. We'll walk over to the left rear. All right, so this is good. All right, so we're not gonna so all the sensors are working, so we're not gonna so these sensors are working. That's how you test the TPMS system. And what we'll do next is we'll check the pressure and let this customer drive the car, and the light should go off after resetting the TPMS sensor system.